So you've created your token and set up your token launch. You're almost ready to showcase your project to the world, but first you need to create a campaign page like this. To create a campaign page, go to the Wallet section of Tokit and select your project token. Tokens you create will be marked with a blue star to make them easier to identify. Next, click on Campaign, and then click Create Campaign Page. Notice the blue Preview button to the right. This button is available to you to check the look and feel of your campaign page at any time, but only after some required information has been completed. Begin by choosing up to 3 categories that best describe your project. These categories will help your visitors locate your project in Tokit's Gallery section. Next, choose a title and tagline. Do your best to be as descriptive and as easy to understand as possible. You're pitching your project to your audience, so make sure to communicate your vision clearly and concisely using no more than 100 characters for the title and 500 characters for the tagline. Now it's time for the heart of your page, the project pitch presentation. What's the story behind your project? What's your ultimate goal? How is your project different, relevant, or special? Use this section to share as much significant information and as many reasons to be supported as you can. Take this opportunity to inspire and grow your audience. Once you're happy with this section, click on Save and Continue. Visuals are key to engaging your audience, so be sure to use the Media section. Here you can add YouTube or Vimeo videos by simply pasting their links here. You can also upload photos, illustrations, and designs from your local device. While we recommend using both video and graphic resources, only one is required for your campaign page. When you're ready to move on to the next step, click Save and Continue. The funding section shows your project's budget breakdown. The distribution is shown in percentages, and you are free to define your own budget categories. This information is optional, but being transparent often appeals to your audience. When you're ready, click Save and Continue. It's time for you and your other team members to let your audience get to know you. The Team section lets your audience meet the people and review their backgrounds and experience. You're required to share your photo, name, role, and biography. Optionally, you can also mention your LinkedIn and Twitter profiles. Click on Save Changes and then click Continue once you've added all the profiles. This section is all about your social media channels. This is optional, but we recommend you use it. These channels will be featured on your campaign page, allowing your audience to follow your project more closely. When you're done plugging in your links, click Save and Continue. This next section is optional as well. If you'd like to take certain precautions with regards to how people interact, use, or share your project content and information, or if you intend to use disclaimers with regards to copyright, user data, etc., this is the section where you can safeguard yourself. To include your project's terms and conditions, please click on the plus symbol and attach the relevant document from your local device, and then click Save and Continue. The Community Updates section is where you can inform your supporters as your project evolves. You can add to this section at any time during your campaign, and we recommend using it regularly to engage with your visitors. When you're ready to move on, click Save and Continue. In this section, we've added an option to add your Google Analytics code to monitor your traffic and user behavior on your campaign page, and a tentative start date that lets you display a countdown timer on your campaign page that counts down the days, minutes, hours, and seconds left until your campaign starts. Both of these features are optional. You're just one step away from finalizing your campaign page. Click on the Preview button and take a few moments to double check your work. When you're satisfied that all your information has been entered correctly, go to the Status tab and click on the green Publish button. Please note that your campaign page will need to go through Tokit's verification process, which could take a few days. Once this process is complete, your campaign page will be given one of three possible statuses. 1. Pending approval. Your campaign page was successfully submitted for review, and you will receive an update in a few days. During this time, your page is neither active nor visible on Tokit. 2. Verified and active. Your campaign page was approved by Tokit's staff, and it is currently active, meaning you can start promoting it wherever you like. However, your campaign was not approved for listing in Tokit's gallery or featured projects. Promoted by Tokit. 3. If you see this status, your campaign is about to get some big help from Tokit. If your campaign page has been approved, then all you have left to do is hit the Launch button. Head over to the Wallet section, select your token, and click on the Launchpad tab. Finally, click the green Start Token Launch Now button. Congratulations, your token launch campaign is now active. Good luck with your campaign.